Although File Features works as expected most of the time, it can occasionally trouble you with errors like this one. So in this video, let's see how you can fix the following error. First up, restart the File History service. Do this by opening Services, scroll down to locate File History service, right-click on it, then select Restart. Now if the service is not running, you have to select Start. Next, connection problems with your external drive can also cause Windows to display the error. If it's nothing major, you should be able to resolve the error by disconnecting and reconnecting your backup drive. And while you're at it, try using a different USB port. Now this will help you determine if there's a problem with the USB port you're using. And lastly, try reselecting your backup drive in the File History settings. To do so, open Control Panel, select File History from the Control Panel, click the Select Drive option, select your preferred drive from the list, then click OK. Now after selecting your preferred drive, restart the File History by tapping File History, click the Turn Off option, wait for a few seconds, then click the Turn On option. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following Windows error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.